up, guys? TheCloudedBarber back at it again with another tutorial. I know I've been away for a minute, but everybody seems like they want to keep getting the same old haircut. So finally my client came in. He wants something a little bit different. So he basically wants a skin faded faux hawk with a side part on the left side. So here we're going in with our 0 lever fully closed, creating our first guideline. Alright, now we're going in with our gold effects, and we're basically just balding out this section, so when we do hit it with a silver shaver, it's not going to snag, it's going to get that extra baldy bald, you know what I'm saying? Boom! Now we got the silver FX, and we're just going in and balding it out, prepping everything for our next guideline. Alright, now we got our wall magic clip, lever fully open, and we're just creating our second guideline. Going up maybe about ½ an inch, give or take. Alright, now we got the number 1, lever fully open, creating our third guideline. And basically what we're doing is we're going to be fading from the top down, not from the bottom up. Which I find is a little bit easier. I've kind of gotten into this transition because it's just, you can see the whole fade come together real nice. Alright, now I kind of messed up. I didn't show you guys what guard I was using right now, but what I am using, I will show it in a second, is the 1.5 guard fully open, and we're basically cutting up to where the hard part is going to be. There you go. Alright, now we got the number 1 guard half open, and we're basically just working at that second guideline. Fully closed. Again, working at that second guideline. Just fading it a little bit, just so we're all prepped for when we go in with the 0.5. Now we got the 0.5 open. This is where the magic happens. 0.5 half closed. Again, we're working at that second guideline that we created. Trying to make that smooth transition. Fully closed with the half guard. Completely just taking that line right out. Second guideline Van Moose. Now we got our no guard fully open, working at that first guideline. Half closed, drop it a little bit, and now we're just working at that guideline still until it just completely disappears, Houdini style. Fully closed, and this is where magic happens, guys. It's where it all comes together. Woo! Look at that. God damn. Gone, guys. Alright, now we got our gold effects, and we're just coming in and we're just sharpening them completely up with a crispy lineup. And later on, we're going to be adding a little bit of color enhancement just to make everything pop, give it that extra 3D effect. Because that's what he asked for, so that's what he gets. We're just banging out the vertical bars. Alright, and here we're going in. I know it gets a little bit blurry, guys. Sorry, I forgot to turn my autofocus off. But basically what we're doing is we're creating that hard-parted comb over, that hard-parted line to create the comb over. And always remember, guys, when you're creating any sort of line on someone's head, there's always 2 sides to a line. There's the upper and the lower. To create the first guideline, push up, create the second as I'm doing now, and go downwards to make sure both sides are nice and crispy. Alright, now here, I looked in the mirror and realized there was a little bit of hair sticking up where I made the hard-parted line for the comb over. So basically what I do is I wedge my finger in between the blade and the head, and I just gradually go straight across. Make sure I take off that little bit of weight. All right, now we're going into the beard, guys. Basically, we're using our one guard fully open, and he wants his beard a little bit higher. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just fading it into the stubble that he's got already where it grew back. And now we're half closed and fully closed. We're blending it, just trying to blend it into that stubble so we get a little bit more of a wider effect of the beard. Now we got our 0.5, basically same steps we just did with our one guard. All right, now we got our 0, no guard, fully open, half closed, fully closed, just to blend the sideburn into the actual fade itself. Now we got our FX. Going in with the FX again, man. Can't live without these things. Sharpest tool I've ever used. Sharpest liner. Amazing liner. I can't suggest it more than anything. Like, just, you gotta get it. All right, now we're just lining up the beard nice and tight. Keeping that line high as the client requested. Again, guys, sorry for the autofocus. Forgot to turn it off. Stupid me. Sorry, my bad, guys. All right, so we're just cleaning up the neck area of the beard. He likes it a little bit lower. Just kind of make the beard look a little full. He doesn't really like it at the jawline. Well, always remember, guys, you got to do what the client wants. Even if you don't think it'll look good, you still got to do it. All right, now I got my alcohol and my cotton swab, and basically what this does is removes all the excess oils for when you apply the no drip. So when you do actually wash yourself, like shower or whatever you do, it won't just immediately come off with the excess oils on your skin. So I'm basically prepping the skin for the no drip. 245 no drip all day, baby. We got Sean Cut's hair powered by 245 color card. Basically we're just lining them all up with a 90 degrees, the vertical bars. Hell, we can even sharpen up that hard part just so it pops extra, you know, so it looks nice. And remember, guys, this is a semi-permanent color. It comes in black, brown, and an onyx black, and it lasts up to 3 to 5 days. It is waterproof and sweatproof. So we're using those curved corners, making that beard look sharp as hell. Alright, now we got 245 shave gel, 245 triple cartridge razor. Now we're just sharpening everything up, making that shit pop. Excuse my language. Just get excited, you know? It's my favorite part. Sharpen up those vertical bars. Super important, guys. Always stretch your skin when you use a razor blade. If you don't, big chance you'll slice up the skin real nice. You don't want to make your client bleed. Stretch that skin like it's nobody's business. Now, guys, excuse me for the last bit of footage here. My arm is going to cover his beard. You won't be able to see the full process. It will get a little bit blurry, but afterwards you will see the finished product once I do move my arm. So I do apologize. Crispy ass lines, man. Dude was looking fresh. Damn. Man, that's one thing I envy about some of these guys who come in. They got some nice dark beards. Here I am, the age I'm at. I got like all this gray in my beard. It's alright though. It's alright though. Gray's that new sexy, right? Anyways, here we're going in with our Tune 45 triple cartridge razor on that hard-parted parting of the hard-parted comb over. And remember, we're going with the grain, then we're going against the grain. Two sides to a line, guys. Remember I mentioned that earlier. If you're gonna make one part of the line sharp, you gotta make the other part of the line sharp as well. Alright, now this other side of the head basically is the exact same steps we took on the side that we just did. So I just want you guys to sit back just for a quick minute, check it out. If you want to fast forward, you can until the next step. Which I don't think there really is any more steps. It's basically going to be the final product. So sit back, enjoy, and guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Don't forget to share this video, any of my videos, and I promise the moment new haircuts start coming in, just like this one, is the moment I'm going to be laying them down like nobody's business. So stay tuned, and in the comment section below, let me know if there's any specific type of hairstyles you guys want to see. I'm more than happy to try to get that done for you guys. And I want to show nothing but love to everybody who's supporting my channel and subscribing to me and liking my stuff. So keep it up, guys. I really appreciate it. Respect to all of you, love all of you, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Boom, and there's the final product, guys. It's my boy Demis. He comes to me about maybe every week and a half, and I laced him up, man. Laced him up. He's the type of guy that likes to get all fresh for his chick, so respect to him, dedication, and hope you like this video, guys. For real. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash me with a like, and feel free to share the video, guys. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see. I'll try my best to get it out to you guys. Clouded Barber signing out.